Hi, welcome. Today I'll be discussing 5 powerful steps to build wealth. Number 1. Invest in yourself, Aga. Learning new skills is the best investment. It pays you back for life. Number 2. Increase your income. Combine hard work and smart work to boost your earnings. Number 3. Build passive income Pessard. Buy assets that make money for you while you sleep. Number 4. Increase savings. Small, consistent savings grow into big wealth over time. Number 5. Multiple streams. Read 2. Never depend on one source. Diversify to stay secure.